Okay, we're on the lift. We're heading back down.
All right, look, I found.
The shot off to the side. Look at that view. Hopefully you're not afraid of heights because, well, this is pretty steep right here. I'm like grabbing onto the rail because it's... It's really quiet up here. Just to look down in front of you, see what's below us. Yeah, might make you just a little tiny bit squeamish. Yeah, that's what we got. Not exactly the zip line, but it seems a lot less intense. I can't imagine dangling, what, 600 feet in the air? What they said?
40 miles an hour.
Yeah, moving at about 40 miles per hour. There's that mountain over there. It's so quiet up here. I hope the cable won't snap because that kind of shook me up a little bit. We'll come around and see Ken. See if he's scared yet. No, how you making out?
Well, I think I would like the zip line. This is too slow.
Well, and I would love to see you go down the zip line, but
I'll be a zipper.
Yeah. Because they used to have a platform here for weddings, but they made this beautiful one up top now. So this is just kind of sort of okay.
Bob's going to do the zip line next trip. He's all psyched up, and I can't wait.
Well, you'll be pretty old by the time I go down there, and I don't think it's going to be anytime too soon.
Well, if I'm there, I'll push you off. You can go.
Well, thanks. I appreciate that. But you go first, so okay. I don't think that'll happen. And for you people afraid of heights, I would recommend not watching this video. But if you want to get rid of your fear of heights, I would recommend downloading this video. And there's a nice little warm inversion. You feel that? Coming up, little blanket of warm air.
Yeah, it's very healthy up at this altitude.
Yeah.
Get away from all that city smog.
Yeah. It's amazing. It really is. And there's some people coming up on their little car.
Well, next time on this lift, I'll be on with my skis.
Yeah, Ken's an avid skier, so when the winter comes around and the snowmaking starts to begin. I was up here about a year or two ago, I think it was about 2 years ago, and we didn't have snow that winter. It was awful. You came up here and the only snow on the mountain was the snow that they made. And outside of that, there was really nothing. That's a great place. You just see, look at that mountain. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, this is a good shot.
And again, if you don't like heights, I'll give you a look down. You can see how far down it goes. And then see the angle that the cables are at. It's this is pretty steep. Yep. Yeah.
Here come the zippers.
Yeah, these people are coming up for the zip line, which it's got to be a heck of a lot of fun. Everybody's got their GoPros on, I see that. Wow, look out over here. Wow. This gives you like a little chill, you know, thinking about this. And it's just, wow. It's so high up. So it's around 3,000 feet.
It is just over 3.
Yeah, it's over 3,000 feet. And we walked up 800 feet of incline today, which is just about 750 more than I wanted. I can't imagine what it would be like here with a gale force wind. You wouldn't be on these.
What a lip windy, right?
Yeah, they wouldn't run it. And you can see my death grip on the bar here, and I'm like pushing so hard against the seat to stay put.
Don't listen to a word he says.
It's all true. Look,
He's
you know,
a tough dude.
come here and do this, and you'll see. This is nothing. I mean, imagine what that zip line must be like. I guess you could go onto YouTube and look under. Look at my ears popping. Hunter Mountain zip line, and see what that's all about.
Well, he's down the bottom.
Yeah, we've just about reached the bottom. Got a couple hundred yards to go.
Look what I found. I had it in the inside pocket.
See that?
Yeah.
You can hear the people yelling from up there on top of the mountain.
Oh. That music's coming from the lodge. Or the hotel.
Couple degrees warmer down here.
Yeah. Not much.
Yeah, too bad it's not a beautiful sunny day, but you gotta take what you can because you're only here for a very limited time. And And this is going to conclude.
Well, we did it again.
We did it again. This will conclude our chairlift ride. Looks like we'll arrive safely here.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Come back again when we visit another amazing place. Okay. Whoops. See ya.